Good day everyone! Hello mga quarantine! So today we're going to make a video on how to make a PPE face shield. So first, before anything else, so sanitize your hands. What we're going to use is a plastic cover. This is made of PVC cover, A4 size. So we already punched 2 holes on both edges, as you can see, like this, and the other side also. Next is a foam, which is at least 9 inches long. Garter, which is at least 17 inches long. Double-sided tape, and then scissors. So first, using the foam, we will put 3 double-sided tape on both sides. It would look like this. Okay? Now after removing, you will have something like this, and put it on top where there is a hole. Then after, using your garter, you will need to tie a knot. 1 knot will do. Others try to make at least 2 knots. And then to the other side also. Then you have something like this. So to try it on, you will have something like this.